Today I'm going to be taking you through the installation of my new Mudhugger Max Extender, which will make this seriously sweet Mudhugger Shorty I already have installed on my bike even better. Having removed the front wheel, this is the underside of the existing mudguard, showing the preset factory markings, which really simplifies things. The team over at Mudhugger recommend using a screwdriver to pierce each hole, however I opted to rather use a drill. And here's the result of my impeccable drilling technique. 3 beautiful, perfectly aligned holes, meaning I can go ahead and attach the Max Extender. And that's all there is to it really. Pretty simple and straightforward stuff, isn't it? And now that I've reinstalled the front wheel, you can see how damn slick this bike looks, and better yet, I'll get far less mud splattered on my legs now, won't I? Super sweet! Whoop whoop! If you enjoyed this wee video, please consider subscribing. Thank you.